Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back. It's not easy. Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Diana, and 5 months ago, actually it's been longer, back in January, I wanted to give it a real try, and I wanted to be able to film and just start this month challenge where my goal was to document my life in the 6 months leading to July, and be able to document and show the improvement throughout my journey those months and every day. It didn't really go as I expected. I needed to first figure out what's been holding me, because all my life, I'll say, till now, of course I have done things that I'm proud of. I've been through things that I was able to overcome, but I think for the most part it's been so hard for me to navigate life. I remember when I used to get asked, what do I want to do, or who do I want to be when I grew up? And I remember made a comment about, I said I want to be a maid actually, and then when I said I want to be a maid, and I was like, I think I was told, you pick something, that'd be something else, something better. And then I think about it now, as I was growing up, I feel like I always wanted to have this, I don't know if you could say maybe I didn't have ambition, but I never really had like something that I was like, oh, wow, I'm so fascinated. But then I think about why I never really developed like the ambition, but I knew I wanted also the great things. Like I wanted like, comfortable life, just do things that I feel like I needed. I know that the money, but then so where would the money come from? So what I want to say through all this is that I've been trying to figure out what is my purpose in life, because eventually when I moved here, at first I was like, I wasn't really, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to be. At first I wanted to be an event planner, because I really like to host parties, something that I really like, the planning, right? But then I changed that quick, because I realized that as an event planner, it was my personality really fit for the job as an event planner. Eventually I kind of shifted my interest from that. But then I was also, when I was in college, I was getting my associate actually, and I started shifting interest on it. And I was like, I could cook, because honestly I will cook and then I'll post on my Instagram, and I was getting people like reaching out and asking me, my baby shower, can you go for my birthday, my wedding? And honestly I started getting really inquiries, and at first I was like, wow, this is really like, this is for real. But I'm not going to lie, I wasn't really organized. I think it played a big part. I wasn't that organized, and I remember I started, it's so interesting to talk to the camera. Just put pause. So as I was saying, I wasn't the most organized, doing catering, like working on a business that has just started. And then I was so excited, because I was like, wow, this is something that I'm doing and it's working, and people are really like, they're interested, they really love what they see, and then they would like for me to cook for them. I mean, it was definitely a great feeling. And I think that as I was working toward that, one thing I have to say, I didn't really have a plan. I feel like I didn't have really structure. I was always late, and that's not professional. As a caterer, like, people actually, they have their event. I wasn't taking myself seriously, I believe. I was just kind of like, I'm just doing it like for fun, and I didn't see the potential. But then now, next thing you know, the client, they're here trying to pick up their order, and it's not yet ready, and they have to sit and wait when they have to be at an event. So after I had a couple of those incidents, and I decided that, I'm not ready for that. I'm not really there yet, and I just took a break. I just stopped posting. I stopped really trying. So it's hard for me. I'm trying to really put myself out there and trying to see how I can improve myself, because I just feel like there's so much going in my head. That's something to say I struggle with, but an issue with that is that I haven't really done really much that I'm so proud, and I'm like, wow, because I'm so perfect and I'm trying to be I haven't done the show for that. That's another issue. So because it's always in my head. I want to do this, I want to do that. I'm always coming up with some ideas. Even to start this channel, it's been like so much running through my head every day. I'm thinking, and then I come up with the stuff, I write it down, and then it becomes so overwhelming for me to just actually create with what I think. So let's say you just write it, but then you need to also act on it, right? And it's been hard for me to act on a lot of things that I've been wanting to achieve. I have to be prepared next time, but I just wanted to speak from the bottom of my heart on this. My goal is that I want to see like a big change by December 14th. That's good, so that we can see from there. So I have 4 months, which 4 months is still a lot. I feel like I can do a lot in 4 months. By December 14th, I would like to see major changes in my life. I would like definitely to start more articulate. So I think that one will come with a lot of reading and then speaking overall. My husband speaks Serbian, so I would like to be able to communicate with his family, especially his mom and dad. They don't speak English, so I would like to be able to learn the language and at least be able to speak basic from start. So step by step, baby steps. But I would like, that's one of the goals that I would like. So honestly right now, I'm gonna put all the goals that I'm thinking here, some, not all, but most of the goals, and then we'll see how things go. But that's one thing. I would like to find a really good full-time, but what is really good I will determine. But I think definitely a well-paying job, a job with great benefits, a job that honestly remote would be nice, remote job, a job that lets me be who I am, and with people that I really enjoy working with, people see my value and really appreciate me as a person, just as I am. Another goal will be improve my friendships and relationships. Honestly, I've done this back in January and feel like this is a deja vu, but this is really what I had initially said I wanted. I want to be able to improve my relationship with my family, my friends, and in a great relationship with even my husband, being able to do really great things together, and then being able to put ourselves, just enjoy our married life. Before December, I would like to have really work on posting, being able to be more consistent on the YouTube app, be also consistent filming food videos as well, be more confident in myself in terms of workout, just being able to commit to going to my working out, my exercise classes. I have a couple of them. I'm trying to do Pilates, RX, just to name a few, Zumba, but I don't think Zumba. But yeah, just like TRX and the Pilates. But I want to be able to do that, go on my walks, listen to enough audiobooks, grow my edges. That's another goal, like December. I'm trying to show my edges, I cannot show right now, but I have some videos where I like to show that. Just figure out my purpose, find out what is my purpose, and then really go at it. More outspoken, I want to be more, of course, better care overall, mental, physical and emotional. But I think that I want to start taking things step by step, really be able to be out there. Oh, another thing, I want to do, maybe I should do month by month, but I've noticed, I think that I want to start cutting off, just to drink more water and then not have any alcohol. But sometimes it's just like, you're like, oh, I just drink occasionally. So well, I would say once a week, because on weekends usually I like to have a glass of wine or something. But I'm trying to think now if I should cut off completely and then not. But anyways, I want to do that as well. Now I feel like my goals are attainable, but so that's really it for today. I just hope that I can keep up with this one. Stay tuned to see what's coming. Thank you so much. We'll talk later. Bye bye. Guys, one last thing I want to do before I finish this video. I wanted to, well, I'll say gift myself something and use it every day as a reminder of why I'm doing what I'm doing now. I made myself the promise to not give up this journey that I'm taking. So I bought myself some perfume. Just mark today the beginning of this journey. So I started, as I said, 2 weeks ago. But let me just open it. You can see. I just love new stuff. You know. I love the bottle lid. Wow. That is so cool. I love the lids. So wow, I am impressed. Now, first spray. So yourself, guys, if you would like to, you're getting yourself on the journey. Get something to just mark the beginning, and I'll give you one spray. Kidding. Right, this is Marc Jacobs for you, and thank you guys. It smells amazing. I had tried it at the store before at Macy's, but I forgot what it smelled like because I had it for a while, but I was waiting for the right time to open it, and I'm excited. I got to do it today. I'm glad I got to do this today, and guys, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.